It's almost here. Yes, I'm talking about the summer. The warm weather, the cold drink in hand, your sunglasses on, and absolutely nothing to accomplish other than wearing sunscreen. But before you get there, let's check out our time-saving tips to make sure you're ready to complete your class without feeling overwhelmed. I'm Jordan from the training and support team.
Hark, bestir thyself, for thy final hour of thy scholar's toil
It's fast approaching. That's right, the end of school is near, and we are here to help with all the digital cleanup you'll ever need. Let's dive right into Google Classroom. Do you really want leftover work you've graded to be sitting around your digital desk? So why not double check your classes and confirm that all the assignments have been returned? By returning work to students, they regain ownership of their content and you free up valuable drive storage. Now say it with me. We archive, we don't delete.
Do you mind? I can't hear a word he's saying.
Don't you do you mind me? I was talking to my husband.
For all your Google classes, archiving your classes allows you to keep materials, assignments, and posts searchable for next year. To archive one of your own classes from the Google Classroom home screen, find the class you want to archive, select the three dots, and choose Archive. Now a full list of your classes show up. Just select the check marks on the ones you want to archive and then select Next. Google Classroom will now give you a confirmation message regarding what your archive class will look like moving forward. If you're good with it, then select Archive. Ready for the summer? Check. For all staff, or especially administration, clean up your inboxes. Archive old emails by going to the search bar and typing in older_than:3y and adjust the years needed. Or remove large attachments with has:attachments larger:10M. Now you can select the archive button for at least 50 emails at a time. Simple cleanup.
Clean up your act.
We all know our Google Drive can occasionally sort of look like this.
Dirty, 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 dirty. Why room so messy?
Well, I wasn't expecting company, was I?
A great way to clean it up is to create a folder that says something like 2025-26 school year, and then move all your content into that folder. But please, don't move your Google Classrooms folder. Just don't do it. Don't you do it. When you've moved everything else accordingly and you're creating new folders for the years ahead, just right-click the folder of choice to add a red color for current, blue for templates, and green for finished. Organized to the max.
Do a backflip, do a front flip, triple axel, plie, releve, jete, Pythagorean theorem.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
If it's too much to do all in one day, you could always use the Friday 15 rule. Each week, take 15 minutes on Friday to digitally clean up. Would you also like a reminder each week? How about using Google Workflows? In your Gmail, just select Workflows, select Do More in Studio, then in the Describe a Task in Gemini, just type in, send me a chat notification to start my digital cleanup for Google Drive and Classroom on Fridays for 15 minutes. Please also schedule that focus time on my calendar to block out other distractions. It'll get created, you can double check to make sure all your content is correct, and run a test, and then select Turn On, and your digital assistant will remind you and have your calendar focused.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
Well, that's it for your weekly upgrade. Make sure to sign up for our World Cup summer workshops. Registration is in the description of this video, and we'll see you next time for our season finale. Have a great day.